welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we are doing Ipsy and Medusa's makeup in this one video because my time management skills suck and October's almost over, so I need to get both of these out. Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and unbox both of them or unbag both of them today, and I'm going to start with Medusa's makeup since it's the one I have on my lap here. So here we are. There is a cute, almost showed you what's in their box. I like this card a lot. This is the October box, obviously. And there's some vampire teeth. I really like this card. I like the little skullettes that they have in there. Really pretty. And then I expected an orange bag or a black bag, not gonna lie, but we got a pink one. That's fine. Okay. So first thing in here is this. This is the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. Not my cup of tea. I'm always so negative in these videos, but you know, like mystery boxes, you really get what you get. Like, it's not something that you pick. I know Ipsy you can kind of curate. I don't have mine curated because it's actually, my mom got it for me for Christmas last year. She got me like a year worth of Ipsy, so it's under her name and stuff, so I don't have it curated. But anyway, I'm not going to swatch this, but it does look really pretty. I thought it was like an eyeshadow for at first, and that would have been really cool. But yeah, I'm not a super big lip gloss wearer to begin with. I'm definitely not putting glitter on my lips. So I will pass this along. Let's see. This is worth... Ooh, I just saw something I'm excited about. This is worth $14. Okay. Just kind of ruined that, so let's just go ahead and save that one for last. But next thing in here is by Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. This is Luna Light Liquid Illuminizer. This retails for $19. Okay, so here it is. It is sealed. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it, I'll be honest. Sorry. I don't really wear liquid highlighters. I have one in my collection, and I literally have it because it's Jaclyn Hill. So we'll pass this one along too. Next thing in here is this. This is what brand are you? It's a chapstick. Or a lip balm, I guess. But it is by, oh, it's Medusa's makeup. Okay, it's watermelon flavored. It smells so good. It smells like my childhood, like watermelon lip smackers. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I'm actually out of my downstairs chapstick, so we'll take that down there like tonight. Next thing, oh, how much is that for? $10. The next thing in here is a really pretty eyeshadow brush. These remind me of the, oh gosh, Farah, I think it is. Yeah, I have one right here. They remind me of the Farah brushes. Very similar, but this one's pink. And this is just like a flat brush. It was really nice. I love the way it looks. Like, I love the Farah brushes, so I definitely like that one too. The brush retails for $10 as well. Okay, let me grab the bag I dropped. Okay, here we go. Last thing in here is what I was super excited for. I've been saying since I originally started getting this makeup bag, because we always get single shadow, single shadow, single shadow. And I don't say that 5 times fast. I have one literally right here that I haven't opened. But I don't use single shadows ever. So I've been saying from the beginning, I really wish they had a palette I could try. You guys, we got a palette. I'm so excited. This retails for $22. I'm out of there. Really cute. It's got... I just filmed my Lunar Beauty Advent Calendar unboxing. If you haven't watched that, go do it. But I just filmed that, and I'm still having trouble opening these. But really cool packaging. Okay, let's see the color story. Oh, there's a plastic thing that just fell out. Okay. It's pretty. It's pretty. There is a mirror, which is awesome. Okay, let's swatch a couple. I'm gonna swatch this hot pink. Oh, they feel nice. This hot pink shade, and let's do a shimmer. Let's do this purple shimmer. The shimmers don't feel as nice as the mattes. They swatch well though. Ooh, okay. I'm very excited about this. Like I've literally been saying since the beginning I wanted a palette. So this retails for $22. Oh, exclusive. Oh man. Yeah, this is an exclusive palette. You can only get this in the subscription box. So that kind of sucks, but at least this way I can try their shadows. So I will definitely try that out for sure. Let me know if you want to see it in a video too. Okay, so recap, we got the palette, which I'm pumped for, the lip balm, which I'm excited about, the brush, which I really like, the lip gloss, which I'm not excited for, and then the liquid highlight, which this is a cool product to get. It's just not something that I use. So yeah, so overall 3 out of 5, but it says 6. Interesting. So up here it says 6 beauty products valued at $75. There's only 5 in the picture, and there's only 5 listed. Are they including the bag? I've never paid attention to that before, but okay, anyway, moving on. Ipsy. So. Oh, cute. Okay. So Ipsy's bag is just black with like a little spider web. And then the charm is a little spider. It's pretty cute. Okay. Does Ipsy come with a card? Oh yeah. It's in here. Okay. Okay. Here's the card. Halloween. Cute. Coming this November, our next celeb curated glam Xbox drop is So Fuego. It's practically Billboard Latin music. Award worthy. Scan the code below. I don't know who it is. It doesn't say, but here is the little card that gives us the details about what's inside. First thing, probiotic superdose face mask by Carez, Greek yogurt, microbiome technology, nourish and rebalance. I'll actually probably give this to my mom. She was literally just telling me earlier how she wants a face mask. So there you go. This is full size, is 100 milliliters and it's for $49. This is, gosh, I can't see very well without my glasses, you guys, I'm sorry. 20 milliliters. Not doing that math right now. Next thing, Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter. Okay, I do like Kopari, and I think I've never tried their body butter, but let's see how it smells. I'll actually probably take this to work with me. I don't have a lotion there. I need more. Ooh, very like shea butter, almondy. That smells amazing. Do you have a scent on here? Hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil is what I'm smelling. Okay, Kopari, love that. This is $32 for 7.7 ounces, and this is 1 ounce. Next thing in here, we have Basse. I've never heard of this brand before. Oh, cruelty-free though, that's always great. So far, all of these things are cruelty-free. Korres and Kopari are both cruelty-free. Oh, cute packaging. Feels a little cheap, not gonna lie. Ooh, okay. Really pretty. I'm not gonna swatch that. Really pretty though. Full size is $16 and this is a full size. It's supposed to be hydrating and highly pigmented. I don't wear red lipstick. I wear red lips quite often, especially around the holidays, but when I do, it's a liquid lip. I don't mess with colorful lipstick, so we'll pass that along. Okay, next thing is by Item Beauty. Hey, hi, hello, liquid highlighter. In the shade Electric. I like Item Beauty. I actually have their setting spray right here. Item Beauty is also cruelty free, and this retails for, let's see, this is 5 milliliters or 0.16 ounces. The full size is 15 milliliters for $18. So this is $6 is what this sample's worth. I can do that math in my head. I'm not gonna swatch this one either, sorry guys, but here it is. I honestly think that would be way too golden for my face anyway, so I'm not like super sad that I'm not swatching it. Okay, and the last thing in here, ooh, yay, please be my shade. What shade are you? What shade are you? Fair. Yes. Okay, I'm so excited. This is Pure Leafs Beauty Illuminating BB Cream. The full size is 40 milliliters. This is 7. So I love this stuff. I actually had one sample size that was a little bit smaller than this, and I made it last for a while because I love this stuff and I just haven't bit the bullet and gotten the full size yet. So super excited to have this. Super excited that it's in my shade. Okay, that's it. So quick recap, we got the foundation that I'm super stoked about. We got the lipstick that's really pretty. We got the liquid highlighter from Item Beauty, which Item Beauty is an awesome brand to get. We got the, what are you? Body butter that I'm excited about. And we got the face mask from Korres. Korres, again, is a really awesome brand. So definitely a skincare heavy month, I think, but, well, I guess we got a lipstick and a liquid illuminator, but I don't know. Honestly, I think I liked Medusa's makeup this month is better, which rarely happens. Except I really am excited about the foundation. But yeah, that's everything, you guys. If you guys enjoy subscription unboxings, let me know by liking this video, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.